Hi everyone, this is Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to play music automatically when it's connected to Android Auto on your Samsung S25 Ultra. So when you get into a car and you want to set it to play music automatically when you connect it to Android Auto, then let me show you how to do this. So first, you want to go ahead and bring down the settings. Scroll down and find connected devices. Tap on this. Now you want to go ahead and scroll down and find Android Auto. Find that. Go ahead and scroll down and find Start Music Automatically. So this will automatically start media when you start driving. Turn this feature on, and now once your phone gets connected to Android Auto in your car, this will start the music automatically. And there you go guys, that is how to start music automatically on your Android Auto.
If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.